know
That was horrible. So,
Hi guys. So I know I'm not Pat and Pat 25. He's like right there somewhere. But yeah, I'm Nikki Girl 15. Go subscribe to my channel if you would. There's a new series actually coming out on my channel, and yeah. So I hope you guys. Well, I hope you guys like this video because I'm in it. No. Pat and Pat 15. His name is Patrick. And my brother Anthony. He likes to call himself BMF Airsoft. And their friend Jaden are going to be in this video. And at the end, I'll have them just introduce themselves so you guys know who I'm talking about. Okay. Bring it with you. Come guys, go, because I'm going to
clear. Hi guys, this is our channel, Pat and Pat 25. I'm BMF Airsoft 21, and he's BMF Airsoft 21. We're part of the same channel. We'll have reviews of guns, attachments, updates, gameplays of when we go to Airsoft, and there's my sister. Get out of here. And also reviews of guns, gameplays, everything that revolves Airsoft, Call of Duty, and other video games
like
Saints Row. So hope you enjoy our channel and videos. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.
No. And subscribe to me. I have awesome videos.